In this card, you see a single golden cup overflowing with five streams of water. A hand emerges from a cloud, holding the cup as an offering. This is the pure beginning of emotional and spiritual fulfillment. The cup represents the element of water. This symbolizes the subconscious, intuition, and the flow of love. The flowing streams represent emotional abundance and the overflowing nature of feelings. It shows an overflowing heart and the birth of new emotions. Above the cup, a white dove descends, holding a small wafer. This is a symbol of peace and spiritual blessing. It represents divine connection entering the physical world. Below the hand, there is a wide sea with lotus flowers. This shows emotional growth and inner peace. It means a place where new feelings and new beginnings can grow easily. Overall, this card represents new love, spiritual awakening, compassion, and creative energy. Upright, yes. Reversed, not yet blocked emotions. Career business studies. If upright, it shows a fresh start or a creative breakthrough in your work. In your career, it means finding a role that brings you genuine joy and fulfillment. It shows a positive atmosphere and new supportive connections at work. If you are planning to change jobs, it is a very positive sign. You may find a workplace where you feel emotionally valued. If you are looking for a job, it shows an offer that aligns with your passion. In business, it shows a project driven by inspiration and positive intent. In studies, it shows a new area of interest that truly connects with you. If reversed, it shows a creative block or feeling uninspired in your current situation. In your career, it can mean feeling unappreciated or emotionally drained. If you are planning to change jobs, it suggests checking your real motivation before making a move. If you are looking for a job, it can show a mismatch in values or lack of enthusiasm. In business, it shows a project that lacks emotional energy or direction. In studies, it shows lack of motivation or emotional burnout. In love relationship breakup, if upright, it shows the beginning of a new romance or a warm emotional phase in a relationship. In a relationship, it shows deep emotional intimacy and affection. It represents pure emotional connection and openness of heart. It shows kindness, compassion, and emotional honesty. If you are going through a breakup, it shows healing and self love beginning. If reversed, it shows repressed emotions or emotional distance. In a relationship, it can mean one or both partners feeling disconnected. It shows hesitation to open up or fear of emotional vulnerability. In a breakup, it shows lingering emotions and difficulty in letting go. Health. If upright, it shows feeling emotionally happy and calm. It also shows healing by letting go of past feelings and staying positive. If reversed, it shows emotional exhaustion or holding in feelings that affect well being. It can also show feeling emotionally low or physically drained. General guidance. If upright, open your heart to new possibilities and trust your intuition. If reversed, practice self care and release emotional blockages before moving forward. So, the Ace of Cups represents the source of emotional and spiritual energy. It shows the beginning of love, creativity, and intuition. It brings new emotional beginnings, joy, and healing.